kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan wagwan. Today I've got another amazing recipe for y'all. I'm telling you, this right here is gonna be so delicious. Your families, your friend, everybody are gonna like it. I'm gonna make some curry chicken wings with corns. Yes, I made this recipe before, but I never use no chicken wings. I just use, you know, normal chicken parts. Yes, and it was really delicious. It was so yummy. I have these chicken wings in my fridge and I was like, what am I gonna make with it? And then, you know, I have the corns, and then it came to my mind to just do this recipe over, but just do it with the wings instead of the chicken parts. So guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please share this video, guys. Share it. It helped my channel to grow, guys. Share it and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I thank you all so much in advance. Stay tuned. So just before I start my video and I show you all of my ingredients, I just want to read a Bible verse for you all, and I pray that you guys been blessed by it. So it is Ephesians 2:4 and 5. So it said, because of his great love for us, God, who is rich in mercy, made us alive with Christ, even when we were dead in transgression. It is by grace you have been saved. Amen. I pray that you guys is blessed by this word. Remember that Jesus Christ loves you so much. Stay tuned for the video. Thank you. So in my bowl right here, I've got 1 pack of chicken wings that already washed and clean in some lemon juice, and I also cut it, okay? And this is 2 corns that I cut up. Yeah, this is the size that I cut it into, but you can cut it in whichever size you preferred. I also have 1 stalk of scallion, 1 teaspoon of my pimento seed, ½ teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of my fresh ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, just a small amount. Also have some fresh garlic, and this is at least 3 cloves of garlic. And right here I also have some thyme, okay, right here. And this is just thyme from the bottle, because honestly guys, me I look for my fresh thyme and I don't know where they look everywhere and I don't see, so I just use the thyme from the bottle. But you can use whichever thyme you have, it doesn't really matter. But me personally, I love to use fresh thyme. And this right here is onion that I cut, and this is half onion, 1 small carrot, I also have half potato, Irish potato, and these are my seasoning. I'm not gonna use a lot of seasoning, so this is 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my chicken seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of my black pepper. Yes, just keep this seasoning simple. So guys, I'm gonna firstly add some olive oil, at least 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna add my onions, my carrot, my Irish potato. With the scotch bonnet pepper, you don't need a lot, just cut a little bit. And guys, everything is already washed and clean, okay? Yeah, you don't need a lot of scotch bonnet pepper, because you know say scotch bonnet pepper is really spicy. And if you don't have scotch bonnet pepper, guys, just use whichever hot pepper that you have in your country, okay? Also gonna add my scallions, my pimento, my thyme, my ginger, my garlic, as I said. So my seasoning now, I'm just gonna mix it all in. Just add it. I'm just gonna leave back a little bit for my gravy. This amount, not too much. And now I'm gonna add my curry powder, and I'm using Jamaican better pack curry powder. Well guys, you can use whichever curry powder you have, because I know that many people might not have this curry powder where they live, but whatever you have, just use it, okay? So guys, if you want, you can always use a gloves, okay? But if you're gonna use your bare hand, remember when you finish, you just wash your hand as soon as possible, okay? So I'm just gonna take my hand, as you can see, and just, you know, massage all those seasonings. It smells amazing. You can smell the thyme, the garlic, the scallion. And I use at least 1 tablespoon of my curry powder, okay? You can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. But as I always said, if you don't have the time, you just cook it as it is, because as long as you season your meat properly, it will still be delicious. It's all about, you know, you take in your hand and just massage it so all the seasoning will covered on your chicken or your meat, whatever you're cooking. So this is all done. So guys, to my pot, I add at least 1.5 tablespoon of my olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna burn my curry powder. So I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my curry powder, okay? Or just over 1. I have some garlic leaf back in my bowl, so I'm just gonna add it. And this is just gonna add, you know, more flavor. Just gonna mix it in, and you're just gonna allow it for at least just over 30 seconds, okay? Just for it to burn. And this is just gonna add, this way guys, it's just gonna add a lot of flavor. And growing up, you know what them used to say? Them used to say, when you burn your curry, you know, make your belly hurt you. That's what me hear my parents them used to say, and people. So this is like tradition, I always do it. Firstly, I'm gonna add my chicken wings, okay?
Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jolly cooking, delicious cooking. Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen.
Try not to add the carrot or the Irish potato. Just leave those last. I'm also gonna add the corns. Just gonna mix it all in. You're just gonna leave it, guys, uncovered for at least 2 minutes, okay? So guys, just after 2 to 3 minutes, this is what it looks like, or just over 3 minutes I would say. I'm gonna cover it up guys for at least 4 to 5 minutes, okay? Just after 4 minutes, this is what it looks like. You make a bit liquid. That's exactly what you want. So this is the same bowl that I used to season my chicken wings with the corn. So now I'm gonna add at least 2.5 cups of water, and this is water from the kettle, okay? Make sure that it is hot so the food cooks fast. So I'm gonna take my spoon right here and just, you know, mix it in. So all the seasoning go right down in the bowl. So now I'm just gonna add all that liquid.
And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
I'm just gonna leave it guys for at least 25 minutes, okay?
Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media.
I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning. And you can just always add some salt, just taste to your liking.
Jody cooking straight from the kitchen. Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Jody cooking straight from the kitchen.
I'm just gonna half cover it up. So guys, it is all finished. So I'm just gonna remove the lid. Look at that, absolutely delicious. This looks amazing. So the gravy nice and thick, absolutely delicious. So I'm just garnish it with some scallion. You can serve it with some rice and peas, some dumpling, banana, whatever you prefer. I'm telling you guys, it goes so perfect with the corn. If you try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Thank you all so much in advance. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye guys. Love you all.